In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer an Airbnb listing to another account. Before we begin, it's important to clarify one key point. In many cases, Airbnb does not offer a direct one-click transfer of a listing from one account to another in the traditional sense. What you can usually do instead is share management access by adding another person as a co-host. This allows that person to help manage the listing without needing to recreate everything from scratch, and it's the closest option available for most hosts. To get started, go to Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're logging into the account that currently owns the listing you want to share or hand over for management. Once you're signed in, head to the listings section. This is where all of your active properties are stored. Next, select the specific listing you want to transfer or share. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple properties. After opening the listing, look for the co-host section, or depending on the version of Airbnb you're seeing, the listing management area. Airbnb's layout can change over time, so the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the place where additional people can be given access to help manage the property. Once you're there, click or tap Invite a co-host. This will open the option to add another person to the listing. You'll then need to enter that person's Airbnb account information or the email address associated with their Airbnb account. Double check the details before sending the invitation so it goes to the right person and avoids delays. After that, send the invitation and wait for the other person to accept it. They'll need to log into their own Airbnb account and confirm the invite before they can access the listing. Until they accept, they won't be able to help manage anything. Once the invitation has been accepted, the new co-host can begin helping manage the listing according to the permissions you assign. Depending on Airbnb's available settings, you may be able to control what they can do, such as messaging guests, updating listing details, or helping with reservations. If your goal is to gradually hand over day-to-day management, this is the stage where that process begins, and that's how to transfer an Airbnb listing to another account using the co-host feature. If you want